We got these guns.
Not bad, not bad.
Yo, who can hit the axe?
For the record, damn, people always asking me why I lift, or like why I work out so much. Fitness is just like, nobody can take it away from me. Nobody can give it to me. It's just what I put in is what I get out of it.
Nelson?
So, a lot of times in life, you're gonna have challenges, you're gonna have speed bumps that you have to go over. You just gotta go through them, man. Just don't let that dictate what you do in life. Like, I'm gonna be in here regardless. I just had a 13-hour shift. I'm about to knock this out. I mean, is it gonna be my best? Probably not, but at least I'm fucking coming in here. You know, I'm working for something. And that's what everybody needs to focus on. Not about being the best, but just coming in and putting in that work. You know.
low-key lost count.
Oh shit. Look at the fish.
Is it on to the death? Better hold your breath in this cell. I rebel, Freddy said from hell. Ring the bell when you're finished. I'm a grown man and winning. Sacrifice it to the demons. Know I love it when you screaming. Commit to your thought. Do it now when you lost in the darkness. You will never wake up so conscious. Anxious. Why are you so scared of feeling pain, bitch? Devil in your soul. Cut it now and then you go.
The heck, all you stupid little bitches bothering me. I'm the Freddy man. I ain't got no returns. I see you once and never again. I'm the type of motherfucker slit your throat and hear you chew. Shut the fuck up, stupid fuck. I like the thought and then I smoke. No chase, I got it made. Back up in my hand. Listen up, you roof, I chipped your tooth and now you're crying. Damn, I don't know the time. I keep staying on my grind. Police in my back. As a creeper, stab your back. Go, my motherfucker, come and run it. Give me money. I don't really think it's funny. I will hurt you and your honey. I'm a stunner, ain't no truth. You are just a fucking piece of shit. On my list, I will never miss. I'm head deeper than the darkest place you never be. I'm from the head, do this shit that demons do and make you bleed. I'm from the head, make you witness shit that you won't wanna see. What the heck, all you stupid little bitches bothering me. I'm from the head, deeper than the darkest place you never be. I'm from the head, do this shit that demons do and make you bleed. I'm from the head, make you witness shit that you won't wanna see. What the heck, all you stupid little bitches bothering me.
The gym is dope, but where's the shooter?
They better put that. Damn. Everybody usually goes to
You gotta go so hard, train so fucking hard in the gym. The power on
There we go. Those peaks. Come on. Let's go. Get it up.
Fire!
There we go. Man, look at those fucking biceps. Come on. There we go.
Who is this dude?
Man, this motherfucker's a machine.
You're back, so thank you.
Let's go, Nelson. Fuck you, Kip.
Thank God. Now, only place to go from failure is to win. You have to achieve failure. You have to take it that far. Nobody wants to go that far. It's too scary. But you know something? I got news for you. That's where winning is. It always has been. Nothing's changed since the 70s. Nothing. Except people train not as hard.
Promise yourself. You fucking promise yourself to be the best fucking person. That's what makes you grow. That's what makes you grow. Nobody fucking knows the secret. That's why. I have no fucking genetics. You got that. And genetics. You're a fucking superstar.
You gotta be willing to fail. Get up again and continue the set. But if you make it, I care. I want that. I want you to fail, and I want you to get up and do it again. The same thing in life, the same thing here. If you can do this, you can do anything. Anything. Right now, you're 5% away. 5% away from being a champion. Can you walk out here today? No, you want it. Imagine walking out the door a loser. I'd rather die. I would rather die than be that loser guy. And sometimes you went close to death. It sounds crazy, but you gotta give it that much. You want results. Otherwise, you'll be like everybody else. The majority of the population, they think they're training hard. That was hard.
Yeah, inside what they gave me. I hate to know it. I gave up.
Most people who've won big have failed big. Okay?
You'll be less than. You'll be a fucking loser if you don't. I can't leave the gym. You won. You fucking won.
Striving massiveness, driven by the white-hot desire to stand alone as the world's most massively developed human.
Keep that going, I take it. Come on, more. Come on, keep going. Cut that, almost time.
I can't tell you how many times I dropped the weight on the floor. Dropped the weight and just tossed it off my back. Fell down.
There we go, come on.
Got up again and continued the set. You gotta go out there and fail. You gotta go out there and fall down. Most people who've won
go,
big
Nelson.
have failed big. Okay? 5% is magic. That's the magic place where
go.
very few people go.
Yup.
You can go there.
Yup.
I'm giving you permission to go there.
Yup.
We have people behind you. If you fall down and drop the weight on the floor, who cares? Who cares?
Promise yourself. You fucking promise yourself to be the best fucking person. That's what makes you grow. That's what makes you grow. Nobody fucking knows the secret.